This video is about base properties. We know that RDBMS are ACID and NoSQL are base systems. As base system gives up on consistency, but before we have said that MongoDB provides consistency, and here we are saying that base systems gives up on consistency. So why does it so? We say that a system is consistent over a period of time but not immediate consistency. Acid systems basically focus on consistency, then always say that we have the high consistency, but a base system says we do have the consistency but an eventual consistency. The type of large systems based on CAP are not acid, they are base. BA stands for basic availability, that is, system seems to work all the time. S means it doesn't have to be consistent all the time, and E, that is eventual consistency, becomes consistent at some later time. Everyone who builds big applications build them on CAP and base. The companies like Google, Yahoo, Facebook, eBay, and so on. Rather than requiring consistency after every transaction, it is enough for the database to eventually be in consistent state. So we have three properties, that is basic availability, soft state, and eventual consistency. So first one is basic availability. It indicates that the system does guarantee availability in terms of CAP theorem, or indicates that the system does not guarantee availability. The NoSQL database approach focuses on availability of data even in the presence of multiple failure. Then we have soft state. The state of the system could change over time, so even during times without input there may be changes going on due to eventual consistency, thus the state of the system is always soft. Then eventual consistency. The system will eventually become consistent once it stops receiving input. The data will propagate to everywhere it should sooner or later, but the system will continue to receive input and is not checking the consistency of every transaction before it moves to the next one. So this was about base properties.